Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about complete Fiverr affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Yes, this is complete Pinterest marketing for the Fiverr affiliate program. So, this video is very important for you guys. So, please watch this video start to end, and you will get the best idea and you will get the best benefit for your Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so first of all, I want to show this profile here, and this is my recently created profile for the Fiverr affiliate, and 2.7k monthly view, and all the post is here, and we got a lot of traffic from this. So we want to start from the basic, so you can understand how we can generate lots of traffic and we can get commission for the Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so let's get started. Pinterest. After that, you will see the option for the login and sign up. So we want to create business profile because we want to track everything and we want to analyze our data, and definitely business profile will help us to analyze all the data, and we can easily see the traffic and all the premium materials from this section. So we want to create a profile as a business account, so we want to click here, and after that you will see this kinds of interface. And what is the difference between Pinterest business and simple profile? I think you will read these kinds of stuff. And so I want to create account. I want to click the create account option, and I want to put my email here. So here is I want to put the password. Then I want to create click the button create account, so it will be created within a few seconds. And after that you will need to write your business name here. Okay, so most of the female user using Pinterest, I think you know about the method world. So this one will be our design world business name. And do you have any website? Right now I want to skip here, but you can create a free landing page file, personal website you can put here. Okay, so I want to skip. So then I want to select the region and language. So I want to put these kinds of things because I am from Bangladesh. So I want to click the next. Then what's your focus, your brand? So I want to select the beauty or fashion, whatever you want, you can select the option. So the next, what are your goals? So pick 3. I want to sell more products, generate more leads, drive traffic. So I want to select the 3 options, but if you want you can select any other 3 option, or content creator or something like that. Whatever you want, no worry about this, you can select anything. So I want to click the next option, and I am interested to advertising. I am not planning to advertising, I'm not sure yet. I want to select this one, I am not sure yet. Then I want to click the next option. Okay, after that you will see this kinds of interface. So you should verify your profile from your mail. So I want to go my Gmail account. So sometimes you will see the confirmation mail need some time. So if you should wait some times to get the mail. So I want to confirm it, and I want to, it will be redirect to our Pinterest account, and we want to just edit our profile. Okay, so here is the option find ideas. So I want to go on my profile here area, and I want to edit at first. First of all, here is the name, and we have already put here for the business name, and tell us about yourself, though that is about your profile. So if you want to write your about sections using ChatGPT. So please go to ChatGPT and command please write Pinterest profile about sections, and I am selling t-shirt design and logo design, so write about this topic must 4 or 5 sentences. So ChatGPT will give you the description for your Pinterest, and I got already. So I want to copy it and I want to paste on my Pinterest about section. So it's a little bit more, so we should just cut some sentence here. If you have any website, you can just put here. Also here is the username, so I want to rename it with my like my business name, so design world hub. Okay, so here it is, and choose your country, phone number, include your address, all the things you should put here. For the time saving, I want to skip right now. I think you know about this. So I want to create a logo here and I want to change it, so I want to go Canva. So I want to go Canva. If you have any Canva account, you can easily do it for the free or premium version. So I want to go Canva and I want to search, I want to go the home section and I want to search logo design or logo. So here is all the section for the logo, and I want to customize. So I want to cut and I want to rename it. So first one will be design. I want to delete it. I want to increase the size. Okay, that's cool, I think. And I want to save it as a logo for my Pinterest account. Photopia. So here it is. You can search on the web, and after that you will find this website and just open from your computer and select your Pinterest logo you have recently created, that one. I want to select this one and I want to resize it. So here it is. Okay, and that you want, so it will be good. So I want to select this one and I want to file export as PNG file area. After that click the edit again and change the profile logo and select this one and write the Pinterest profile logo, and it will be changed within a few seconds. And it already changed. And so select any design here, and after that just resize it like 800 and 450 pixel and copy resize. You will find the resize design here, and you can also select from the left area. So I want to put this here and I want to just write my business name, design world. So that's it, and little bit smaller. Okay, then I want to delete this one and I want to save it. Okay, I want to name it for Pinterest banner. You should click here and browse. After that, select the Pinterest banner, open, and it will be selected. Then you can also modify the size here, and then done. And all is okay. I want to reload it. Okay, this is our logo and this is our banner. I think you can easily do it from the Canva. So this is great. I think now we want to create some post here. Just create and create pin. So you will find some related things. So you just click next, next, and next. Take a tour. No need. I want to skip. So add your title here and your description, destination link, and some text if you have. So I want to select a board and just create a board like t-shirt. Sorry for this. T-shirt design, and to create. And I want to go to the Fiverr marketplace. Search with your keywords like t-shirt design, and I want to select this one. Okay, and I want to open it, and I want to click here, and I want to take the screenshot from here. So this one, upload any another one. This one will be good. So you should take a screenshot carefully for the size, and this one is good, I think. Okay, this like this. Okay, and I want to just download it, and I want to save it to upload the design. Pinterest post for affiliate. Okay, then done, then okay, then okay. Okay, this one is cool, I think. So now we should add the title and description. So I want to copy from the Fiverr. So I want to go here, this one. Okay, and put here. Okay, that's cool, I think. Now the description I want to add from here. Okay, so put here. So write t-shirt design, t-shirt, or like just t-shirt, and I want to copy some keyword also. Okay, so this is cool, I think. You just post daily 10 post minimum, and I think you will get the best result from your post. And here you should put your destination affiliate links. Go the default and deep links, and I want to just put the URL and hit enter and copy the Fiverr CPA. Okay, and go to the Pinterest post and put your destination link and then hit publish. So you should post daily minimum 10, and I hope that never give up, and you should post continuously day by day, and you will get the result maybe 2 days, 5 days, or 10 days, or 15 days. So please do this, and hope that you will get the best results. Okay.